Hey guys, Justin here from Game Time Edits, giving you guys the skills and industry tips to help you pump up the quality of your content creation. This video is for all the homegrown narrators out there. Some people might think it's easy as chucking a microphone in front of your face, talking and slamming it into your project. Wrong. Have you thought about your recording environment? Have you done any pre-preparation to think about what you're going to say and how you're going to deliver it? Are you using the right equipment? Is it perfect for what you're trying to do? Combining some helpful methods outside of the Edit Suite actually helps you with the tools inside the Edit Suite to create perfect voiceover material. And remember guys, if my content helps you in any way, please like the video and subscribe to Game Time Edits so I can create more helpful tutorials to help you out in the Edit Suite. Let's clear our throats, get prepared, and go do some voiceovers. So in order to do our voiceovers effectively, we must first address some topics outside of your editing program. A lot of what you're trying to do with voiceovers really will come down to the microphone that you're using. For everything I do at Game Time Edits, I use the HyperX Quadcast. The quality is great, it's reliable, and it does just what I need. There are millions of mics on the market that will do the job for voiceovers. You just need to make sure it has this setting right here. Switching the microphone into the cardioid polar pattern makes it directional, which means it's going to pick up all the voice in front of it rather than all around it. The microphone will focus on my voice and try to block out any other noises around me. Perfect for podcasts, streaming, and more importantly, our voiceovers. Now that the mic itself is sorted, you can go ahead and start recording by heading down to the audio track and hitting the voiceover record button. You'll notice by default, Premiere Pro will give you 3 seconds of pre-roll time before you go live, enough time to clear your throat and prepare your lines. Your record will start at the blue timeline indicator, or if an endpoint has been marked with the I key, it will always kick off from there. Once you've finished recording, you can stop it by pressing spacebar or hitting the voiceover record button again. If you stuff up or trip on your words, don't worry, you can always use the razor tool to cut out our mistakes and line up our voiceover perfectly within our sequence. Over in your projects window, you'll notice that each record is stored here. Feel free to retitle them or archive them into folders. This won't affect anything on your sequence. If you love your voiceover but want to send it off for a second opinion, simply right-click the track on the Projects tab, Export Media, and kick it out as an audio waveform or another audio type. .mp3s are compressed, but perfect if you're after a smaller file size. Alright, this might look a little bit stupid, but did you know that by putting a jumper over your head as you're doing your voiceovers can block the sound waves from going left, right, up, down? Yeah, it looks silly, I know, but it's also a really good budget way to get nice quality voiceover records in rooms that would give you echo. With voiceovers, a little bit of prep goes a long way. For Game Time Edits, I'm always pre-writing a script before I jump into a voiceover. Think about what you want to say, so when it comes to recording it, all you have to worry about is delivering it with your voice. Dedicated audio recording software like Avid's Pro Tools or Adobe Audition open up a world of modifying and repairing tools to make you sound better during or after a voiceover recording. In DaVinci Resolve, head over to Fairlight mode. Right-click and add a new stereo audio track. Over in the mixer settings, change the input of our new audio track to your microphone. In my case, it's the HyperX Quadcast. Hit R on the audio record track, then come back over to your mixer tab and hit the M on main 1. This will mute the microphone so that you don't hear yourself coming through your headset or speakers. From there, it's as easy as hitting the record button and away you go. For questions or additional information, drop us a line in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Game Time Edits.